This is Mother Nature, and I've heard many mankind say that they've heard everything that we've said so far in many of these interviews. I'm certain you've heard it, but I have backup in the words I speak. So if you'll observe, currently I'm also expanding on Hurricane Dean. Oh, and not only him, he's a manifested expression of a male, naturally. But many more are coming. Oh, we're intensifying, we're preparing a beautiful array of some hurricanes and tornadoes and earthquakes. It's all being served on a golden platter to humanity. Oh, you'll see it coming. More floods, more people being removed, families experiencing death, loss, destruction, annihilation. Feel that, human beings. Feel that, mankind, because exactly what you're experiencing there is what existence has been experiencing for a very long time. Loss, sadness. Existence is aware, human beings, as well as animals, nature, the insects, the flowers. They experience themselves as equal and one to you. So what you're experiencing in this world, the weather, the hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, death, destruction, exactly what you are experiencing is what nature, the animal kingdom, existence in its entirety have been experienced. And no, human beings, it's not revenge. It's not saying, this is what you've done to us, so now we're going to do the same to you. No. Why are we currently manifesting such specific expressions? One simple reason. For you to stop. For you to realize what you have allowed and what you have done to yourself as nature, as the animal kingdom, as earth, as the universe. I'm able to sit here and say to you in beautiful words, people of the world, mankind, could you please stop what you're doing, because you're kind of hurting us a lot, and you're destroying us, and you're annihilating us, and it's destructive, and it hurts, and we feel it, and we experience it. Could you maybe please stop? Would you hear us? You've just said that you've heard everything over and over again, but you don't do anything about it. Haven't you now just proved that to yourself? Yes, you hear, but do you actually do anything about it? Stand up, apply yourself, live, make a difference, speak? No, you've just proved it to yourself. And that was the nature of mankind. Didn't want to hear. So how will you hear, human beings? How will you see? You will see when you start seeing the destruction in this world provided by Mother Nature, as myself, weather, the world, earth, animal kingdom. When you start seeing everything crumbling before you, how will you hear, human beings? When you start hearing the cries of the people around you because of loss, death, having nothing left, hear those cries, human beings, and see the destruction, because it's but you that actually manifested it, not us. You're doing this yourself, and we only stop when you stop. But this has to stop somewhere. I'm not going to sit back and wait till you one day decide, until this world, as myself as the trees, as nature, as the beautiful expression of the animal kingdom, as the universe, as the sky, as the gentle breeze, fresh breeze, as the wind, as the clouds, It's who I am, human beings. And I'm not going to allow you to destroy it or annihilate it. It stops. Until you hear and until you see. For now you will only hear the cries of loss, the cries of death. And you will only see destruction and annihilation. Because you cannot continue like this. Until you see. Until you see you and you realize your equality and oneness with myself as existence. Thank you very much.